But saying life more time, you have to know what you do. Because what goes around comes around. So you know, say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with life, we treat the distractions and I repeat. I rub with it, I will do it. To what we be and the shit we pull up the master on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever, but you nobody else can see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you. You're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things me put you through. But it's a one with me and you. Love.
Live where? You want me burn down this? Susie, if you ever make them two girls come live here, me left.
Bingy, stop behave so. Wouldn't you help your friend in time of trouble? And that with the world now when everybody does care about themselves and they don't care about them brother and sister. I'm a friend them. You just want me to just forget them because them in a trouble. Oh God, Bingy man, what kind of friend would I be?
Remember me tell you now, as them put them foot in, me put mines out. Which man I go breed woman and then left them? That are the first sign we know say them no good. Susie, you know, say them two girls are crosses.
Bingy, you know them how them a money a steal. When them a look and they want front, then we tell them all kind of sit and tell them say how they love them, how them are gonna marry them and then maybe them genuinely believe, so you can't say them are crosses. Maybe them genuinely believe say the man didn't want them because maybe he make a lot of promises. Don't say that, man. You know man stay cause you're a man yourself. Bingy, every man is not like you. Although you're here and you're not working, you are still here for your kids. But every man are not the same. Natasha and Keisha is not blessed to have a man like you. The man will get them pregnant and run from their responsibility. Bingy, I just want to help. They are my friends.
Susie, Natasha and Keisha is not your responsibility. No, you want to bring them into our home to disturb the peace. So you're so comfortable if you have them around me. What if them start look me?
Bingy, I trust them. They are my friends. And I know that you would never cross that line with my friends.
Me would have never touched them with a long spoon. Me would have chop off my hand. But them girls look like them with teeth, people man, through a needle eye.
Good morning, Tessan. Did you brush your teeth and wash your faces yet?
Yes, Mommy.
Tessan, what is that you're reading? Is it something for school?
Mommy, teacher said I should study for Friday class. Mommy, can I ask you a question?
Yes, Tessan. You can ask me anything. Come here. What is it?
Are you and Dad going to break up?
Tessan, why would you say that, honey?
Because I heard you and Daddy arguing a lot and shouting at each other.
Oh, Tessan, I'm so sorry you had to hear that. But your daddy is not going anywhere.
So why are you guys arguing all the time, Mommy?
Tessan, sometimes adults have arguments, but not because they are having an argument mean that they are going to break up. Tessan, me and your father love you and nothing is going to break us up. Not even a little argument, honey. Come and give me a hug. I love you. I love you to the moon and back. Now, let me hear the poem you're practicing for Friday.
How beautiful it is, Mama, that God should love us all, that He should listen to their prayer when little children call. What shall I do for Him, Mama? For He is so kind to me. How shall I show my love to Him who made birds, flowers, and trees?
Let me read this part. The only thing you can do is, my darling child, be always gentle, full of love in words, in action, in mind. Thus you will show your love to God, who is kind to you, and you will live with Him in His bright heaven too. That's a great poem, Tessan. I really like it. Now, go and show it to your daddy.
What did the test say? Did you get the result?
What are you talking about?
Susie, what do you mean by what test? You said 2 weeks ago that you were going to do some blood work. Is the baby okay?
Oh, that test. Oh, baby, everything is going great. The pregnancy is fine. Just a little back pain now and then, but the doctor said it's nothing to worry about.
Oh, thank God. I am glad you both are okay. I was really worried when I didn't hear from you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just have been very tired lately. I will try to update you more often.
Honey, have you started picking out names as yet? I hope it's a boy. I have chosen a name for him. If it's a boy, of course. I want to name him Jerome.
Babes, please slow down. I know you are excited, but let us find out the gender first. I am just 1 month along.
I know, baby. I'm just too excited. I won't miss the birth. I'm going to pay for a private hospital.
That's so sweet of you, Romaine.
Susie, come here. How you up on the phone with?
Romaine, I will call you back later. The carpenter just come in to do the repairs. Bingy, me soon come, babes. Me just have finish up one call with my mother. Jesus Christ, what kind of situation me put myself in? How when me I go find baby from Figgy Romaine?